Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Are you tired of feeling like a pawn in the dating game? Do you want to know the secret strategies that successful men use to win at dating? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to reveal the top 3 dating strategies men use to win in dating. So, get ready to level up your dating game and become the chess master, not the pawn. Number 1. Firstly, let's delve deeper into the checkmate strategy. This is all about understanding your partner's needs and desires. Think of it like a chess game. In chess, you need to anticipate your opponent's moves to win. Similarly, in dating, understanding your partner's needs will help you make the right moves. For example, if your partner values honesty, being open and transparent with them will score you major points. But it's not just about understanding their needs. It's also about responding to them in a way that shows you care. This could be as simple as listening to them when they've had a tough day or surprising them with their favorite meal when they're stressed. It's about being there for them, being their rock in the stormy sea of life. It's about showing them that you're not just another player in the dating game, but someone who genuinely cares and wants to understand them. Number 2. Moving on to the knight's move. This strategy involves being unpredictable and keeping your partner intrigued. Just like how the knight moves in an L shape, which is unlike any other piece on the chessboard. Being unpredictable keeps you interesting. For instance, surprise your partner with a spontaneous date or a thoughtful gift. This will keep them guessing and interested in you. But remember, unpredictability should be balanced with consistency. While surprises can be exciting, being reliable and dependable is equally important in a relationship. It's like being a magician who always has a trick up his sleeve, but also always shows up on time for the show. It's about showing them that you're not just a mystery to be solved, but a person they can rely on. Number 3. Lastly, we have the pawn promotion. This strategy is about personal growth and self-improvement. In chess, a pawn can become a queen if it reaches the opponent's side of the board. Similarly, by working on yourself and becoming the best version of you, you become more attractive to others. This could be anything from hitting the gym to reading more books. But it's not just about improving yourself, it's also about showing your partner that you're committed to growth. This shows them that you're not only interested in becoming a better person for yourself, but also for them and the relationship. It's like being a caterpillar that transforms into a butterfly, becoming more beautiful and captivating. It's about showing them that you're not just content with who you are, but are constantly striving to become a better person. Remember, these strategies are not about playing games or manipulating others. They're about becoming a better person, understanding others, and building a strong, healthy relationship. So, go out there and start winning at the dating game. And there you have it, the top 3 dating strategies that men use to win at dating. Remember, dating is not about manipulating others, but about becoming a better version of yourself and understanding others better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Psychology Facts for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep playing the game of love smartly.